Yes, this is a dollar store. Dollar General stepped it up. Do you guys have any ideas of what we're working on? Hey guys, and welcome back to Do It at a Dime with Catherine. Your comments always have me laughing. You say your dollar stores are not up to par. I think we all feel that within our soul. But I'm so glad you're here today because I'm sharing with you some tips for shopping at dollar stores you might have overlooked in the past, specifically Dollar General. I used to never shop there. And then they dropped the bomb of completely changing their store formats. They're opening over 1,000 new stores this year, remodeling hundreds of them. They're going to be much bigger with way more products. Some have produce. There's even a Dollar General Express. But my personal favorite is pOpshelf, with 95% of the store's inventory between $1 and $5. And no, this isn't sponsored. They were gonna roll out just 30 of these in the coming year, and now they're rolling out 50 because it was so successful. But even if you just have a Dollar General nearby, there's a trickle down of all of that amazing merchandise. You might wanna give a second look. These are 5 items you do not want to miss for home organization and things around your house. First are their small space organizing products. You guys know I love me some Dollar Tree, but I've been shopping at the Dollar General almost more now. They have a ton of the same $1 products you'll find at the Dollar Tree, but they've added a few additional ones that rival what you'd find at the Container Store, like this pasta storage. They also have this cereal dispenser for just $3. And they have spice drawer organization and even some products I've seen at Walmart for a few dollars cheaper. You've seen me feature all of these on my channel. I also love the glassware storage, and this footage I actually took inside of Dollar General so you could see the trickle down of some of those great products coming to the store. But I think my personal favorite was the acrylic fridge organization. If you've been following the Home Edit on Netflix, they organize tons of celebrity homes. This is such a trendy and beautiful way to organize your fridge, but I was not gonna pay $15 a container. I updated my fridge, all from the dollar store. I use these can organizers in the drawer. Let's say a prayer that Catherine eats healthier now that her fridge looks like this. And when you're organizing, always think outside the box. So many of you guys ask, where do I get my S-hooks for organizing pants or creating extra storage in my home? And I haven't seen a price lower than the Dollar General and pOpshelf. I should have made this first because it might be the best. The large custom storage rivals what you find at the Container Store, Target, and other high-end locations. And everything is priced $3 to $10. This is a mix of footage of Dollar General and pOpshelf. You can see there are so many fun, trendy options. A couple of my favorite finds were these large metal baskets that totally rival what you'd see at Target. I also loved these gray baskets. They're really quality and $3 to $5. And while we're talking about trends like the Home Edit, these gorgeous baskets that they have at Target are so expensive. The Dollar General and pOpshelf carry these for only a few dollars, and it's virtually the same thing. And don't discount the plastic organization either. I've showed their Sterilite containers before. They actually recently lowered the price of these in Dollar General. And I love the stacking bins. They're only $4. These are fantastic for small spaces, kids' supplies, and toys. And of course, as you're getting organized, don't throw out the cleaning products. They have tons of overlap with the Dollar Tree, all at that $1 price point.
This is LA's Totally Awesome Cherry Blossom. Dollar Tree was sold out of this. The fact that they have this here is incredible.
And they have lots of natural cleaning products and eco-friendly options that are truly affordable.
Some of these are labeled with wow deals, and they really are.
Extremely quality push brooms and mops for $5 is a super score. What's catching your eye? Leave me a comment down below.
These low profile hangers with grips are great and they're a good price here. Don't mind me.
Now these products don't have to do with organization, but they are totally worth mentioning. The seasonal decor is fantastic and cheaper prices than what you could DIY it for. A personal favorite this year were the lanterns. Dollar General also has great options for these too. A great way to see what's trending is to go online. This is Pottery Barn, and you can see the shapes of the lanterns in pOpshelf and Dollar General are matching what you're finding online.
This is gonna be like an upcoming trending color. What do you guys think? So pretty. That'll look beautiful on a back patio.
These wreaths are $10 and that is a good deal. And again, so many of these items you can check out on pOpshelf's website and Dollar General's website to see where there's overlap, because these prices are great. They have items to take to the pool. Pillows are $10 and under, and I was so excited to find this picnic basket set for 20 bucks. What a great shower gift. Art at pOpshelf that they also carry tons at Dollar General as well is also fantastic. Every time I go in, they have something new, and it reminds me of Kirkland's, Hobby Lobby, and higher end stores, and nothing is over $10. The party supplies left my jaw on the floor. They are definitely better than Dollar Tree, and while you might pay $2 and $3 for some of the items, it is really worth it for a great themed birthday, and the stock was awesome. They also have tons of cards at the $1 price point, just like Dollar Tree. Some of the items are $2 and $3, but lots of the items are dupes of what you'll find at the Dollar Tree, and they're the same price. Read your comments. Lots of you are saying you're really jealous that you don't have a pOpshelf, but there's actually some advantages to not having a pOpshelf in your area. If you have a nearby Dollar General, there's lots of overlap in the same merchandise.
They have the exact same pillows and blankets at the exact same price points, and they even have these. These are all pOpshelf finds too. It's the exact same products.
And what's even better is every Saturday, the Dollar General has a coupon for $5 off $25 for additional savings. Dollar General also has really great seasonal clearance, and I have yet to see this at pOpshelf, even though they have lots of seasonal items. So you can save more at Dollar General with lots of the same products.
This little shelf is really cool for just 12 bucks. One current advantage of Dollar General over pOpshelf is they have furniture. I love the Dollar General furniture. I have for many years. Our first apartment was filled with it. They have tons of options. I love the Dollar General lamps. They are one of my favorite buys.
So now you know why the Dollar General and the Dollar Tree are two of my favorite places to shop. If you enjoyed this video, would you leave it a big thumbs up? That really helps me out a lot. I love you guys so much. If nobody has told you today, you are enough. And I cannot wait to catch you guys in the next video. Subscribe so I don't miss ya. I'll catch you soon. Bye. What do you think?
Good.
You gonna choose something in there or the cereal? Well, okay.